I'm so gone, gone, gone over you, over you. You can put it all on my tab. You can spend all of my cash. I'm so gone, gone.
Where are we at, you guys?
Bluebird Gat Farm.
Bluebird. Oh, look at this. The shade. Perfect. Oh, yes. Kendrick, go have fun.
We used to live there.
You want to go in the swing? Okay, go ahead.
Mom, I think we used to live there.
Go have fun. Go have fun. Come on, Kay. Cave, you want me to put you on the swing?
But that's not the real one.
Come on, Kendrick. Hold your brother's hand. Look at the peacock. Can't get it. Oh, wow. I was trying to put a close-up. You see it?
You can't touch it.
You see it?
She wants to touch it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go look around, you guys. There's more animals.
Yeah, horses. Baby.
Come on, you guys. Hold my hand, babe. Let's see the animals. Oh, look. What is that? Buy one. Where in the world are you going to put this big old pet? Oh, look. Look at the animals, Kate. Oh, look. You see? Yep. Oh look, it's a donkey, you guys. Hey, you can touch it. You scared? Okay, okay, it's okay. Nobody want, y'all scared? Oh, he's calm. Look at him. You guys can pet him right here. Look, if you don't want to pet his face, pet his fur. See? It's okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
I don't like that.
Oh.
That one.
Oh. You know you gotta pet the horse. If the horse comes, I'm okay to be done. Okay, y'all wanna go this way here or keep going straight? There, let's just go down. Oh, look, see? Wow. See? Oh shit, we put
in front of me, y'all. Y'all making me nervous, man. I got the baby. Right?
Jay, get in front of him. Why are y'all behind him? There we go.
Oh, that scared me. Leave that me.
Oh, it's falling. Hey.
He wants to be in our family. He wants to be in our family. Mama. He wants to be in our family, Mom. He's in our family.
Look at him.
Look at our family. Whoa, that's a big one.
See? Oh, look. Wow, look at the horse. See? Oh, it's nothing else down there, you guys. But that, and I'm
There's pigs over there. I remember you speaking to pigs.
How come, where are the kids getting the nuts from? I'm about to find out. Okay. That's how they feel. You guys come in front of Keon, everybody. Come on, Case and Kendra, y'all too. Uh-oh, they want to be pet.
They're seeing this man stage.
Oh, gee, look how he looks. Oh, look at the... Oh, wow. Look at them. Wow. It's okay. Alright, let's go because Tian's getting arrested. I don't know why Kendrick, please get up here with the kids. JJ. Okay, do you need to sit and take a break? Or I'll take them over there? And then we're done after that. Unless you can keep going with it.
That's the real deal.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Hold his hand, Jeff. Oh.
He's gonna follow us in the car. Why come in there?
Look, you guys. Oh, wow.
Hello.
Don't scare him. Don't scare it. Don't scare it.
You'll just run after.
See? Oh, wow. You guys want to go in the barn? Come on. It's okay. It's okay, you guys.
You can get ginger
Hmm? Look, you guys. Yeah, you can pet the horse. I don't think the horse bites. I've never seen a horse bite.
This is fun right now. It is fun.
Oh, wow. Ask her, Jay, if you can pet the horse.
Watching my TV.
It's okay, Jay.
This? You can pet the horse. Oh.
She said you can pet the horse. You scared? It's okay. He's scared. Oh, it's okay.
It's really sweet.
Look, go ahead. Go ahead. It's okay.
Her name's Rain.
Rain.
Yeah, see? Very
It's okay. It's okay, Jay.
She's really, really
See,
nice
look.
to people. She's very calm.
It's okay, Jay. See? You can do it. Go ahead. She's not gonna bite you, Jay. Yes, she's not. It's okay.
I've worked with her for a long time.
It's okay. See? It's okay. You can do it, Jay. You can do it. Come on, one pet, Jay.
I promise she's really nice.
It's okay.
Yeah.
See? Oh my God. You want a pet, Kendrick? It's okay.
If you pet right here on her nose, it's like yellow.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. You guys saw it? Kendrick, you don't want to pet her? You scared? Bye-bye. See? Say bye, Rain. Okay. Wonder where the peacock went. Careful. You guys want to go down here?
Who else can go fun when it's shut down? Who else can check out Lions?
Oh, look, the goat. Oh, don't touch that one.
Oh.
Careful. Careful. See?
Wait, that's a sheep, right? That's not a sheep.
Yeah, that's a sheep.
Do sheep have horns?
It says don't touch. Jay, look, the pig is over there.
Oh, yes. So I see the goat. I see the north side goat. He said, let's get
Oh, this is where the chicken lay the eggs.
Wait, Mom, let's get some food to feed the pet, Mom.
You guys can come.
There's chicken. Oh, that one too. He's eating, Mom.
Yeah, they're eating.
Let's feed them some food.
No, they already have food. See? They're eating their food. Someone gave them food already.
Yeah, but we have to give them more food. You can buy one pet for them. Wait, what? Oh.
All right, let's go, you guys. It's lunchtime. And
Oh yeah.
Kyla's gonna be crying in a few.
Well, I pet the horse and
There goes the peacock again.
That
well, what happens if you touch the peacock?
No, don't touch the peacock. Just mind your business around them. Jay, I'm proud of you. You touched the horse. Because Kendrick didn't even do it. Come on, you guys.
Because I felt like he was looking at me and I was gonna bite me.
All right, let's go. They don't bite. Not that I know. You saw the horse? Why you didn't pet the horse? Huh? Yeah, come on, let's go. We're gonna go eat. Come on, Keith.
Say hey, y'all. Say what's up. Say what up. Say welcome to the vlog, dog. It's getting kind of windy out here. Might be a little windy out here for the baby. Let me put the thing back over. A little too much wind for me. A little girl, so let's cover that one back up. Yeah, so we decided to bring the kids to Bluebird Gap Farm. You see, that's where we at right now. Current location. Come out here, let them run wild a little bit today and enjoy some of this sunshine. I think it's supposed to be like 70-something degrees today. Kind of breezy right now, but hopefully everything pans out. How's everybody doing out there, man? God bless, God bless. Everybody watching. KNT gang, what's happening? If you just tuned into this, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Turn post notifications on. You understand? And to dig me, you litty. KNT gang, let's get it. Look at the baby. You okay in there? You okay? You all right in there? Hopefully it's not too cold. Too breezy for the baby. They came down on the swing over here. I think it's too cool for the baby over here.
It's too breezy. Let's go to that bench because it's in the heat. So long. All right, come on. I got your phone that you're about to leave. Come on. Put my pants up. Shit. Hell no, Keith. If the animals are here, we can, yeah. I want to go in the sunlight. What the fuck is that? Oh, that's the office. Where's Kavion? Kavion, are they in there? Okay. I don't want to think, people are people are like child molesters and stuff. That's why I'm not doing. I'm gonna do it in my phone. Kavion, hey. Hey, bud. Hey, hey, Jay. You having fun?
We're gonna look at animals.
Yes, we are. You did? You said hi? Give me 5. They just can't put sleep. Yeah, you're right. You're too big. You're right. Y'all want to see baby Kyla? Sorry if y'all can't really see her. She's chilling out here. Hey! Look at Keon. Hey, kid. Hey, baby. Hey, baby dad. Hey, baby. Kids are all over the place. Okay. Okay, Hi, Kay. Where are you going? Kendrick? Where's Kendrick? Oh, Kendrick's over there. Kendrick!